The Malindi Space Center holds a special place in our diplomatic and strategic relations and is a strong bond that ties us together. As Kenya, we would like to leverage on the presence of this facility in our country and the good relation we enjoy to truly build a capacity and realize our aspiration as a developing and emerging space, furthering our nation through a win-win partnership.
This station has been here for long, but very little has been done, I must say. From 1972, when this station started, there have been many promises. I've been a mayor of this place, I've been a member of parliament, I have engaged this defense minister today when he was majority leader in parliament on this project. And I feel, I don't look like I just want to complain. I've seen the most investors we have here are from your country.
There are several reasons why the Space Center is so important. First of all, because it testifies to the friendship between Kenya and Italy. It testifies to the strong collaboration between our countries.